If your website is slow, you are losing people. They click, they wait, and then they leave. And the worst part is that most WordPress users know that their website is really slow, but they have no idea what to do to fix it without breaking something. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and fast way to speed up your website using WP Rocket. This video is perfect for you if you have a business website, an online store, a blog, a portfolio site, or honestly, just any WordPress website. Because speed matters for everything: user experience, trust, conversions, and even SEO. And WP Rocket is one of those tools that people use to make WordPress sites load faster without needing to be super technical. A lot of people just focus on how their website looks, but your site can look amazing, and if it takes forever to load, people will leave. It can hurt your sales, your leads, your bounce rate, and your credibility, especially if you're running an e-commerce or a service-based business. Because with today's technology, people expect the websites to be really fast and smooth. So what is WP Rocket? It is basically a performance plugin for WordPress that helps improve your website speed. So instead of doing a million complicated manual optimizations, it gives you a much easier way to handle some of the most common speed issues. So you install it, configure the important settings, and it can immediately help your site feel lighter and faster. And this is exactly what most small business owners want. Not a complicated technical process, just results. So first off, we're going to go ahead and install WP Rocket on our WordPress site. So you install it just like with any other plugin, and we're going to see how it handles our site. So we're going to go into our WordPress dashboard, install WP Rocket, or you can go directly to the link below and purchase it for your site. So once you add it, you can upload the plugin and activate it. And let's see what it says about our website before starting to use it. So this is how everything looks so far. And then we're going to let it handle the easy wins first. So before touching every advanced settings, I will let it start with caching, reducing unnecessary loading, optimizing files, and making pages load more efficiently. So it can make these speed improvements into one place instead of 5 different plugins. Then we're going to check the performance settings again and see how everything looks. So we can improve how assets load, reduce heavy files, and help media load more intelligently. So the less the site has to load at once, the faster it would feel. So the goal is just less wait, less delay, and a better experience. So one of the biggest things that can slow down websites is media. So huge images, videos, heavy visuals. So if your website has a lot of product images, banners, portfolio shots, or blog graphics, then media optimization matters a lot. Because speed is not just about code, it is about how much stuff your page is trying to load. So after we go ahead and make these changes with WP Rocket, we're going to test our website again. And this is how the website loads after we use WP Rocket. So you can check homepage, product pages, contact forms, and everything to see how much faster your website loads now. So if you're a web designer, freelancer, photographer especially, and you use a lot of images, or you have an e-commerce store, this is super important because it really matters how your brand and how your business is being perceived in front of your customers and how professional it looks, making them trust you more. Now, of course, you need to keep a few things in mind that would help with the website loading faster. Even if you use this plugin, you need to optimize your images, so don't upload really huge resolution images. You still need to clean some plugins up so you don't have to have thousands of plugins on your site. And this way you can see WP Rocket making a significant difference in your website's performance, speed, and optimization. So if your WordPress website feels slow, this is definitely one of the tools that you want to be looking at. This can offer you a faster website, a simpler setup, less technical stress, and better performance without overcomplicating everything. So make sure to check out WP Rocket at the link in the description to make your WordPress website move a lot faster. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!